In this video, we're going to discuss how to integrate your FortiAnalyzer with FortiClient Cloud. This allows users to connect EMS Cloud with FortiAnalyzer, which previously only had support for regular EMS. Note that you must have an EMS Cloud account ID in order to connect FortiAnalyzer with FortiClient Cloud. First, go to FortiAnalyzer and click on Fabric View. Under Fabric and Connectors, click on Create New and FortiClient EMS. Select FortiClient EMS Cloud, and we'll alter the name so we know this is for EMS Cloud. Put in your account ID, and click OK. Note that in older versions of FortiAnalyzer, the user may have to input their username and password instead of the account ID. After configuration, the connector health check sends out an authentication request for this account ID. To authenticate, first go up to System Settings and make note of the FortiAnalyzer serial number, so we know which FortiAnalyzer to authenticate. Now we'll move over to FortiClient Cloud, and we'll see there is a Fabric Device Authorization Request notification. This shows a list of all the authorization requests. We don't have the option to authorize here, so we'll click Cancel. Go to Administration and then Fabric Devices. We can see our FortiAnalyzer is listed at the bottom. We'll select it and then click Authorize. And we can see it's been authorized here. And that's how to integrate your FortiAnalyzer with FortiClient Cloud. Thank you for watching.